Hello everyone. Hey guys, welcome back to my crazy big black family on YouTube. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy Wednesday, guys. Happy hump day, happy Wednesday, whatever you want to call it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video and other videos and subscribing to our channel. Happy Wednesday to you guys all. Just coming back to you guys with another vlog, because I haven't did a vlog in a couple of days. So I said, let me do me a vlog, man, putting some shorts up. Please go watch a couple of those videos. I think I'm gonna do a couple of more longer videos because shorts ain't getting no love. But it happens like that for those that are new to YouTube. If you're new to this YouTube thing, this YouTube platform, you have your good days, you have your bad days, you have your highs, you have your lows. So what do? Just keep putting videos out until one day you're gonna get that video, or it's gonna be the one that's gonna pop, and then you'll have your good days. But these last couple of days have been down days for me, so it's like, what? But then randomly, like, I'll get a nice little, a little viral going on here and there. But what can you do except for just hope and pray for the best, and go to work when you can, period. Get a job, do extra work, do something else, have your own business as well. That's what I'm doing too. Both, whatever works, because this thing right here, especially if you're not monetized, and we're not monetized yet, for those people, again, who are new to this and you're not monetized, my advice is don't put wholeheartedly this as a full income source. Especially, again, if you're not monetized, or until you do get monetized, because, honey, again, it's good days and bad days. So I just thought I'd throw that in there in case somebody might be watching this video who might just put their first video out today or yesterday, or about to put one up and like, oh, think that's miraculous. Your video might not even get seen for, like, you may not even get a couple of, you might be lucky if you get a couple of views. And that's how you title and tag, and they say thumbnail, but to me it's mostly title and tag. But that's my personal opinion. Some may think, a good thumbnail is gonna get you views. Could be. And me, myself, I look at title. I don't really care about the thumbnail. I'm not a big thumbnail person. I watch all kind of videos. And I'm not a big person like, oh, that thumbnail attracts me. No, it attracts me what they say on the title, because if I'm looking for that and the title is kind of catchy, then that's the ones I click on. But guys, other than that, yeah, thank you guys so much for the new subscribers to my channel, to our channel, my crazy big black family on YouTube. Again, if you're new to this video and it's this channel and you just hopped on, get subscribed, guys. Please, we appreciate it. We've been on here, started our channel August 23rd, 2022. So we've been on here for a little over a year now. And we're just, trying to get ourselves, like I said, on the path of getting monetized, guys. So we want to thank everybody who is subscribed to this channel. And just stay tuned for many more videos. And if you haven't got a chance to watch some of those old videos that we got up, which is not really old videos, just take a look at a lot of our videos, because we got a lot of them out there, over 2,000 to be exact. So you got a lot of watching if you're interested, a lot of interested in watching, a lot of interesting watch time and watching for you guys, and viewership for you guys out there. So please go ahead and take a look at our videos, guys. And I hope that you guys have an amazing so far week going on. Hopefully we're midway there to Friday, so hopefully the rest of this week will be good for you. And hopefully today is going on for you good as well. Hopefully you're having a good start out on this day. For the person out there that's having a bad start, blessings to you, and well wishes for a good rest of your day. And try not to sweat the little things. Try to keep it pushing. And if it's not, end of the world, put it on the back burner and then save it for later, guys, because it's not even worth it. It's so annoying, like little things that can get you so stressed out, and it's like, for what? Put it on the back burner and just be like, okay, whatever, later, because it's not worth it. It really isn't. But that being said, guys, I want to just welcome everybody to my channel. Welcome to our channel on YouTube, guys. And thank you from our channel, and thank you from all the Crazy Big Black family family on this side to all the Crazy Big Black family on that side, and those people that potentially may be subscribing or might think about it on this video. Welcome in advance. Please, thank you, and subscribe is what we want you to do. Please subscribe. Thank you for subscribing, and boop, subscribe. Happy Wednesday to everybody. God blessings. Bless you guys all. Have a nice day today. We're halfway there. We got like 2 more days to the end of the week. You know, let's try to get through that week with as less hectic things going on as possible. Let's try to minimize the BS, and let's try to just like push forward no matter what we might be going through, or try to, you know, acquire the strength from somewhere to get through this day or the rest of this week. Love you guys. Happy Wednesday to you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and say bye. Have a good day until later on. Don't forget, subscribe, my Crazy Big Black family, right here on YouTube.